Rangjung Rigpe Dorje, the 16th Karmapa, was born in Tibet in 1924. Buddhists hold that great teachers such as Karmapa choose to be reborn into this world again and again because they have taken a vow to help all beings reach enlightenment. According to a Tibetan scripture, the fame of the lineage known as the Precious Kagyu is proclaimed in the world by a drum whose sound is all-pervasive. The Karmapas point out the great highway by which the Buddhas have become enlightened. The name Karmapa means he who performs the activity of a Buddha.